Hi, my name is Ian Valdez and I'm currently living at Opao, Manawi City. And I'm 21 years old and a fourth-year student at the University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu at Mandawi. So, before I start, here's a fun fact about me. So, since second year, I've been moving to four different living houses. So, in my free time, I enjoy watching anime, reading manga, watching movies, and playing online games. So, for our capstone project, my role was the hipster. I handled the layout design, color combination, and overall design of the system. So, as you can see me in the group photo, I'm the one on the right side wearing white long sleeve. So, so far, are these are some of my projects. First, we have here Local Link, home service application, and Bus Safe, school bus tracking system. So I've been also practicing redesigning website like Starbucks. This one. So I have knowledge of programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C Sharp, Java, Kotlin, and tools like Android Studio. So one of my key project is using Grab, an online ordering and pickup service system tailored for the University of Cebu Lapu-Lapu. This is the login page and the Dalde page. So why I am fit to work at SIP? I am a hardworking individual and motivated who values continuous learning, excels in time management, and thrives under pressure. So these qualities, along with my skills and passion for design, makes me a great candidate for UI UX designer internship at USIP. Thank you.